Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Katie with John Henry's, and today I have a really special recipe to share with you, perfect for Valentine's Day or any special holiday where you want to prepare something special for someone that you love. Today we're going to do delicious stuffed chicken breast wrapped in bacon. Our delicious chicken breasts are from our pasture-raised chickens who spend their days out in the sunshine pecking around for bugs and scratching around for different foliage to eat. Today I have our tenderized chicken breast, which is a great option for people who would like to either stuff a chicken breast or for those of you who have small children who need something easy to chew. Our chicken breast actually goes through what we call a cuber. It's the same thing that you would have cube steak or maybe like a Swiss steak. It punches like little tiny holes actually into the chicken breast itself, which flattens it and kind of gives you the same thing as if you were to pound the chicken breast. So as you can see here, this is what we're going to use today. To start off prepping your chicken breast, you can choose to purchase the tenderized chicken breast like I have here today, or you can choose to pound the chicken breast flat if you purchase a butterfly chicken breast or a full chicken breast. It's totally up to you what you choose to use. But you need to start off with a piece of tin foil. We need a large square that's going to be enough to completely wrap the chicken breast. First off, we're going to take the chicken breast, put it on the tin foil, and flatten it out the best that we can. As you can see the detail, it has all these little tenderized holes that are really, really great for this. Then we're going to take our seasoning blend and we're going to liberally sprinkle the chicken breast. All right, and I'm going to do just a tiny bit of salt as well. Okay. Now it's time for my favorite ingredients, the bacon. I use our nitrate-free bacon that is not the thick, but just our regular cut. I'm going to arrange it across the chicken breast just like this. And maybe I'll stick one more piece in for good measure. There we go. All right, now it's time for the spinach, the cheese, and the broccoli. So, align the spinach across the bacon, and then you'll want to take some feta cheese crumbles and put those in there as well. Sometimes they kind of fall all over, but that's okay. Just arrange them the best that you can. All right. And I also like to take some broccoli florets. And so that they don't take up a lot of space and allow me to roll it really well, I kind of break them apart. Okay, perfect. Now it's time to roll the chicken breast. This can be a little tricky, but just grab a hold of your ingredients and roll the chicken breast with the bacon. Also, before we get too far in here, we want to stick a slice of mozzarella cheese right here so that it also wraps around inside the bacon and the bacon covers that and just adds a little extra flavor. As you can see, this is rolling up so nicely. So we're going to roll it and take any ingredients that might have fallen out and stuff it back inside that chicken breast. And then move this to the middle. There we go. And grab each side of the foil. And we're gonna make this little rolled chicken breast a little house. Grab each side, pull it up, and really tuck it in there. Great. Now it's ready to go on our pan. So I preheated my oven to 375 degrees, and I'm gonna put my little chicken pockets right on a baking dish. We're gonna go ahead and put them in the oven and let them cook for about 25 minutes. Now you will wanna use a digital thermometer to check and make sure that the internal temperature of the chicken is 165 degrees. But it does take about 25 minutes depending on your stove. If you're enjoying this video and would like to see more recipes from our farm, please like and subscribe. And if you wanna follow this exact same recipe as I did today, please see the link in the description below. I just checked my chicken breast and they are at 165 degrees and are ready to come out of the oven. So let's go ahead and take them out and begin to fry up the bacon. You're gonna turn your saucepan on medium to medium-high heat. Now we're going to actually be very careful when we're opening these very hot little pockets of deliciousness. And we're going to fry the bacon to make sure that it's nice and crispy. You might want to reserve some of the juices as well because this is going to add a lot of flavor. You can always drizzle them over the finished product. Oh, it looks delicious. Now, I will let you know that it can be a little tricky when you've got the bacon and it's starting to fry, so definitely let it cook on all sides before you flip it. And I will tell you that you want to use a non-stick pan because I did try my searing pan at a previous time and that did not work well. You do not want it searing, it was sticking all over. So use something that's non-stick that you can easily flip it over. I've got some melted cheese in there. Oh my goodness, if you could smell this, oh, I can't wait to serve this for dinner. These are just about done and ready to be served. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on a plate. Now look at this. Oh my goodness, you can see the melted cheese and all the deliciousness inside. As you can see, just like I told you, sometimes it is a little tricky with the bacon, but it's worth it, let me tell you that. Oh my goodness, beautiful, delicious stuffed chicken breasts wrapped in bacon. I know this will be a hit at your house, whether it's for a special gathering or maybe just a just because meal for your special someone in your life. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and thank you so much for supporting our farm.